Let's switch gears now, everybody, to the big elections last night. Tough races for Republicans in Wisconsin and Florida in their first test since sweeping national wins in November. Decision Desk HQ projecting a victory for Judge Susan Crawford, keeping the liberal majority in Wisconsin Supreme Court, despite Elon Musk donating tens of millions of dollars to conservative candidate Brad Schimel. Now in Florida, the GOP is set to hold on to a pair of House seats after special elections there. But Democrats narrowed the gap in those districts since President Trump's November win. We have live team coverage on the ground in both states this morning. Let's start with NewsNation's Mills Hayes, who's live in Milwaukee. Mills, Elon Musk's gambit didn't pay off in the end.
Hey, good morning to you, Markie. It didn't pay off this time around. And at her victory party, Susan Crawford said that she never expected to go up against the richest man in the world for justice and then win. And so the Wisconsin State Supreme Court will now keep their liberal majority because Crawford will be replacing the outgoing and retiring liberal Justice Ann Walsh Bradley. And despite the state Supreme Court being technically nonpartisan, Crawford received backing from the Wisconsin Democratic Party and major Democratic donors, including $2 million from George Soros. Crawford promised Wisconsinites that she would be a fair, impartial, and common sense justice at her victory party Tuesday night.
I've spent my life fighting to do what's right. That's why I got into this race, to protect the fundamental rights and freedoms of all Wisconsinites.
Elon Musk and President Trump also focusing on their win in this election. Wisconsin passed an amendment to their state constitution that would require voter ID for voting. Musk reposted a tweet from his America PAC about Wisconsin Question 1 passing, saying, quote, "This was the most important thing." Musk donated over $20 million to get conservative Judge Schimel elected, and the conservative candidate accepted defeat on election night. The Republican Party chair was asked if Elon Musk ultimately hurt Schimel's chances of winning.
I think it was a positive overall. I mean, in some ways we'll never know, right? But I think it was a positive overall. And really, I mean, the truth of the matter is the Democrat base in the state was ginned up because of the loss that was just a few months ago.
And this is a big win for the Democratic Party since their devastating loss in November. And since then, they have seen record low favorability. Markie?
Yeah, curious to see how this changes Elon Musk's campaign involvement as we move forward here. Mills, thanks so much. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.